So this is a review of the Cap Barbell Dumbbell 30 pounds in weight that I would highly recommend. This is a rubberized version of the barbell dumbbell. And what I love about this is that it is not like the other version of it, like the metal version where, it starts chipping off and, breaking as time goes. This one is a rubber version of it. You could safely use this on carpet and also on tiles, but very carefully if you're gonna do it on tiles because it's 30 pounds and it's very heavy. But overall, this could be used for tiles as well too, floors, pretty much carpet, any type of material of the flooring. But overall, I use this dumbbell daily and I would highly recommend it since it's not like the metal version where it chips off. You can see that it is very, it looks good. I love how the metal looks in the middle of it. It's very sturdy when you lift it up, and it does the job of every single day of the activities I do of working out. Overall, I would highly recommend this dumbbell if you are looking for a dumbbell that's not like a metal version of it where it starts chipping. Then this is one of the best ones since it's like rubber. And overall, I just absolutely love this dumbbell and I use it every single day and would highly recommend this Cap Barbell dumbbell.